Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder of the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 5th of April, where we did an arm jive, a shoulder slide, a hatchback and a basket. Links in the description below. If you need a more detailed teach of each of those moves, it's just a reminder of how the routine went together. So starting with the arm jive, it went 7 and 8. Offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, face. Return for the shoulder slide, we went latch, we caught right for the hatchback, return, so here comes the hatchback across the chest, spin, we caught left, we need to go 2 hands for the basket, little twist to set it up, wrap, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and 2 hands would have taken you back to the arm jive. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. If you have any comments, please leave them in the description below, in the area below by the description. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.